This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to find the margin of error for an unknown population standard deviation. If you do know sigma, you're going to want to check out my previous video on finding the margin of error using the z-table. The formula for the margin of error when you don't know sigma is T of alpha divided by 2 at a certain number of degrees of freedom multiplied by s divided by the square root of n. And we'll take one piece at a time. We're given s and n in the question, so I'll just go ahead and pop those in. Sample standard deviation, s is 25.6. N is my sample size, that is 26. Next I'm going to find alpha. Alpha is equal to 1 minus the confidence interval. We're given 95% as our confidence interval, so alpha is equal to 1 minus 0.95. So my alpha for this scenario is 0.05. Put my alpha into the formula. The formula is asking for 0.05 divided by 2. Well, 0.05 divided by 2 is 0.025. Degrees of freedom is just equal to n minus 1. Well, my sample size given in the question was 26, so my degrees of freedom is 26 minus 1. I've now got all of the information I need to look this up in the t-table. I'm going to look up a t-score for an alpha level of 0.025 and 25 degrees of freedom. Here's my t-table. 0.025 is right here in the top row. And if I scroll down, I'm going to find 25 degrees of freedom in the left-hand column. 25 degrees of freedom is 2.060. This is multiplied, and if I figure this out on a calculator, I get 10.34. So my margin of error for this question is 10.34. That's how to figure out a margin of error for an unknown population standard deviation. Check us out at statisticshowto.com for more videos and articles on everything elementary statistics.